Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can set up your iPhone to read the text message out loud from the speaker. It's very easy. What you need to do, just go to the settings. After going to the settings, you need to go to the accessibility here. After going to the accessibility, as you can see, there's a option spoken contact here. Tap on it, and if you go to the spoken content, the first option, speak selection, it tells you a speak button will appear when you select a text. For example, if you select a text from your message, it will automatically speak it loud. You need to enable it. And another thing that we have is speak screen. If you slide down something like this, it will automatically speak. It is swiped down with two fingers from the top of the screen to hear the content on the screen. So if you want that, you can enable the setting and it will automatically enable. So another way to do this is just you need to go to the settings. Another thing that we have is Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it. After going to the Apple Intelligence and Siri, what you need to do is enable the setting of talk to Siri here. You just need to enable this option, and Siri will automatically speak out loud for anything you want, from your messages to your phone calls. And that's, I hope, will help you out to read the message out loud. Thank you very much.